Hello friends, welcome back to RB English Academy. In this video we are about to see tricks and tips to improve your English. Let's get into the session. To learn a new language, we should focus on vocabulary skills, grammar skills, writing skills, reading skills, speaking skills, listening skills, pronunciation skills and phrases. Among these things, the basic are listening, reading, speaking and writing. That is LSRW skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. We have to focus on these four core skills. These are very essential to learn a new language. The four language skills are listening, speaking, reading and writing. These four skills will help you to learn a new language. Let's discuss one by one briefly. And here I have given you a statistics. We used to spend 45% of time for listening and 30% for speaking and 60% for reading and 9% for writing. We should focus on listening and speaking skills. These two skills are primary and reading and writing skills are secondary. The very first one is listening. Ability to accurately receive and interpret messages. How to improve your listening skill? We can listen audiobooks and we can watch and listen films and we can listen to the newses. We can listen to the people and listen to various discussions. So if you want to learn a new language, for example, if you want to learn English, we have to listen to English audiobooks. We can watch and listen English movies. We can watch English news and we have to listen to native speakers and we can also listen to various discussions. So these things will help you to build your listening skills. And the next one is speaking. Speaking is nothing but the action of conveying information. How to improve your speaking skills? In the very beginning, speak small and gentle sentences first. So in the very beginning, we should not frame a lengthy sentences. We should break the sentences and make a simple and short sentences. Speak at home. Listen conversations and speak. Listening is the mother of speaking skills. So if we pay more attention on listening skills, we can easily speak. Speak to yourself. Speak with friends and choose your mastery topics. Every day we can speak with our friends. We can choose any topics for the conversation. So we should create a better environment to speak. Environment plays a vital role in learning a new language. And the next steps, try to tell stories in English. Speak clearly and loudly. Use proper tenses and learn auxiliaries. Increase vocabulary skills, idioms and phrases. Don't hesitate to make mistakes. Don't just translate your thought. Observe others how to speak. So in the very beginning we can try to tell some stories in English. We should use grammar while converse with others. And we have to learn lot of vocabularies, idioms and phrases to build our language skills. In any situation we should not hesitate to speak with others and we should not afraid of making mistakes. We should not just translate our thoughts from our mother language. Okay. And the third skills is reading. Reading is a process of decoding symbols. How to improve your reading skill. In this current scenario, we don't have the habit of reading. We should develop our habit of reading newspapers, books, novels, stories, and etc. In the very beginning, read simple things. Read stories and novels. Read newspapers and magazines. Read what you like most. Read loud and concentrate pronunciations. We should read loud and we have to build our pronunciation skills too. Look at the words and its use and read conversations. So these things will help you to build your reading skills. And the fourth one is writing skill. Writing is a method of representing language in visual or tactile form. How to improve your writing skills? Write a daily diary. Try to write stories, write film reviews, write book reviews, write essays on current issues, learn to write letter, application, demands and notice. We should write concise and clear. It should easily understand by the readers. And write and show to your experts. After writing that, show to your experts to proofread. Make sure you are grammatically correct. Learn proper use of punctuation marks. Use correct spellings. Write, take reviews, then rewrite. Some more things to follow. Keep a dictionary and thesaurus handy. Learn minimum 10 words a day and use them. Use internet and technology to learn a language. Use English whenever you can. Practice the 4 core skills. Don't worry about making your accent perfect. Always be prepared for your class. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.